हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शुभम जैन है.
Where we started, where are we rooted from?
People are running and forgetting the back behind them. I
We
think,
started upon this, it was 2013. Each cafe has a lean time after February. Me.
and shall we know her name?
Purvai Jain.
So many people's amalgamation, and this is Atika Agarwal. I would say.
Yes, perfect.
Super. It's
It was wonderful that the first catering that I got from her was for about 2,500 people.
आज की तारीख में इंडिया में 16-15 इयर्स के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स भी बट करते हुए देख रहा हूँ. तो
Yeah.
मैम, ये जो किड्स हैं, ये वही किड्स हैं
Definitely.
जो आने वाले टाइम में इंडिया बदलने वाले हैं. Women is marking create in all spaces today.
झांसी की रानी से यही सब काम हो रहा था. It's long
Yeah,
back.
okay.
The world is full of people.
एक स्मार्टर एंटरप्रेन्योर की कहानी है ये. Can you sing it for us? A small one.
You can sing it with with AI. You can probably put it. Sourdough is the oldest technique of the bread. Bread happened because of sourdough.
But I gave you a show without break.
Same. I did, yeah. Come on. हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शुभम जैन है. आई एम द होस्ट ऑफ द शो. ऐसा शो लेकर आ रहे हैं जो उभरते सितारों के बारे में बताएंगे. शाइनिंग स्टार विद शुभम जैन, द टॉक शो दैट इंस्पायर्स. हम बात करेंगे यहाँ पे उन उभरते सितारों की जो बेहतर अपने इंडस्ट्री में, अपने सेक्टर्स में कर रहे हैं. वो कोई पॉलिटिशियन भी हो सकते हैं, कोई इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स भी हो सकते हैं, कोई एथलीट भी हो सकते हैं, और एक आम आदमी भी हो सकता है. तो आज बात करने जा रहे हैं हम ऐसे ही उभरते सितारे की जो कहलाते हैं शाइनिंग स्टार. मेरे साथ आज मौजूद हैं फाउंडर एंड ओनर मिसेस अतिका अग्रवाल, हाउस स्वीट से. शी इज अ विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर, अ हाउसवाइफ एंड अ लवली मदर. मैम, वेलकम टू द शो.
With all pleasure.
मैम, हम आपसे शुरुआत करेंगे. सबसे पहले लोगों को ये पता लगे, अब तक तो हाउस स्वीट एक ब्रांड लोग पहुंच चुका है, लोग जान चुके हैं, और बहुत लोग जानेंगे हमारे इस कॉन्वर्जेशन के बाद. हमारा टॉक शो बेसिकली एक लाइट मोड कॉन्वर्जेशन है जिसमें हम बात करेंगे आपके बारे में, आपकी जर्नी के बारे में. एंड विद दिस आई वुड से, हु इज अतिका अग्रवाल एंड व्हाट्स मेड यू टू bring this journey as house sweet? Over to you, ma'am.
Atika Agrawal is a small little being, a person who loves dreaming, believe so much that everything that you can think always can happen. And I think since a kid I've been like this. I believe so much in everything, the energies, the air, the God. That's what Atika Agrawal is. It's
How was your childhood, basically? You were a notorious one, you were a very anxious one, the cute cuddle one, a dear to father or a mother. How was it?
I was always a loved child, and I think
Wow.
always again a playful mode child who would not really worry, think, and remember that what am I, then there, this. I was always being in the moment. So, like today, I'm in the moment, and then also I was in the moment.
Too many friends, limited friends, and
I
are you
think
connected with those friends?
I think the way I say that I'm in the moment. Now I'm here with you. You're my best friend, and
Super. Thank you. My pleasure.
No, so the
This
idea
was how
is-
sweet.
so the idea is that live the people you are with, because you never know where they are the other time and where you are the other time. So the best thing that we can do to everything, like be it the resources that we have, be it the people we have, that to be with them the way you're supposed to be, the best of yourself to the best of them. That's how it is.
True, ma'am. I would also love to hear about your kids and.
So I have wonderful children. There are 3 kids that make
Oh,
me what I
super.
am. I have 3 boys, big boys,
Whoa.
big boys, and they keep me to my toes and keep making me remember that I need to exist beautifully for them. I don't teach them any which ways. I only live, and I want them to see me live.
Where I know you are taking care of the back of everything in a very good manner. That's something today's women is, and that's something inspires a lot about you. Coming to the another question, I would say, can you take us back to the moment where you felt like this bakery is more than a skill for you?
So not really,
Eh?
because the only thing that I actually know how to do and be happy is to cook. I love cooking. I'm not a skilled, in a way, I'm not a professionally taught baker.
Hmm.
I came out with this fact that I didn't know anything else. And in the world where there's so much, I belong to a city which is like so much of so much of glamour, so much of socializing. And I probably.
Talking about Jaipur?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely.
Jaipur, my hometown, and idea is that people are so social and they want you to be social and you get tired. But ऐसा हुआ कि I was running away from the parties and I ended up in the parties. Now begani शादी में Abdullah Divana wala.
In the way of catering or in the way of
Obviously.
your personal relationship you're talking
No,
about?
so my personal relationships always were there, and the way I said that I always want to be in that moment where I am. But yeah, it was getting too overwhelmed. और कुछ नहीं आता था खाना बनाने के अलावा और खिलाने के अलावा. So
Wonderful. That's a skill. That's the art of a Indian lady, I would say.
yeah, yes, definitely.
Beautiful. And then you took it further as house sweet.
That's how sweet.
Super. When this story began and when you found this
So now the way I said that I didn't know anything else, and I have wonderful people around me, and in a small conversation with my best friend Ankit Bhora. So back then I told him, yaar, I don't know anything to do. What should I do? I should be doing something. तो बोला कि let you do one thing, cook for us. Start making, we'll sell. बिक जाता है ठीक है, नहीं तो 15-20 दिन में wrap up कर देंगे. I was like, ठीक है, let's start it.
So who's Ankit Bhora? Shall the viewers
Tapri.
also know?
Tapri.
The Tapri guys. Okay.
Yeah, the Tapri guy.
Lovely.
And so he is the father of the brand.
Oh, that's the big one. That's the big
So
one.
he's the one who named House Sweet as House Sweet.
After going to a rise, no, as a brand owner, as a house sweet, we also have a good feel about this brand. You are saying so, you're being so grounded and saying so humbly that he's the father of the brand, Ankit Bhora. Kudos to you all there.
So he was
People
the one
changes
who-
after a time, but you are keeping yourself intact.
No,
That's
but
the relationship.
What is
Super.
real is real.
Hmm.
Today, wherever we are, it doesn't matter. The idea is where we started. Where are we rooted from? Why should not we be rooted? Because a tree, but the moment you remove it from its root, it will die.
True.
So similarly, we all are. That's what I believe in.
Very true. The baseline is people are running and forgetting the back behind them. I think every day you should
But for
thank
how
them.
long you'll run without the root?
True, very true. We are Indians. We should feel like and support our back and always respect them. Whether it's your parents, it's your dear ones, your friends, or your loved ones who have given a good push to you to give a good kickstart.
Yeah.
Super, ma'am. It's again a recall for lot many viewers कि आपको वहां पहुंचना है पर उसके साथ साथ पीछे वालों का भी ध्यान रखना है. Wonderful.
100%.
So ये कौन से ईयर में ये brand you found as
So-
House Sweet and why this name came up?
And the way I said, ki Ankit and I've been always talking and discussing things, and then I didn't know what to do, what to start with, and the only thing I knew was cooking. And we started upon this. It was 2013 that we started talking about it, and then they were doing the Tapri Central branch of theirs, and they were also wanting to add something nice and new to their
Right.
stuff, and we added on, and people loved the fact that a tea house, which is known for its teas and its snacks, was able to serve a good dessert also.
Yes, we know that time as well. We have been the Tapri lovers and the customers as
So,
well.
that's how
definitely.
it built it up, and that gave me strength. And suddenly it happened in 2014 that each cafe has a lean time after February. So I am a very lazy person in a way that I would not want
I
to.
doubt that, but fair enough.
No, I am.
The creatives are more sometimes won't say
No,
lazy.
it's-
They go into their warmth
No,
and they
no,
come
no.
back
I
with
am
action.
lazy in a way that
हाँ.
अगर मुझे काम करना ही है तो इतना करना है कि I'm happy about it. वरना when you're making one cake, you're making 100 cakes. It's the same kind of energy.
Cheers.
So luckily, Purvi Bhabhi is here today, and she's the one whom I went for the fact कि lean time था, and I was thinking टपरी में कुछ काम नहीं होगा, I'll be bored. So because I knew कि production would be little, so I went to her. I told her कि can I cater for you? She was like, how much food you'll be able to cook? I'd not baked 10 cakes
So talking
a
about
day
the
that
guests
time.
sitting in your restaurant right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's a caterer from Sweet Caterers.
Okay.
So she was one of the person that again fell in place to me.
And shall we know her name?
Purvai Jain.
So many people's amalgamation, and this is Atika Agarwal, I would
Yes,
say. Super.
perfectly.
It's a family going on ahead, along with the good teammates, I would
See,
say.
actually it is because
Uh,
you never sprout and all grow by yourself.
True.
Even like a tree, again, I said that it sprouts from its mother, the soil, and then it takes the air, the sun, so many other factors.
True. Very true.
Even
very
the carbon dioxide,
true.
for that matter of fact. Matlab,
We should respect that
similarly.
ecosystem.
So I went to
Right.
her, I told her I want to do this, and it was wonderful that the first catering that I got from her
Hmm.
was for about 2,500 people, and I didn't know back then कि मैं
Good
कैसे
start, I would say.
बनाऊंगी.
हाँ.
But उन्होंने मुझे बोला, okay, write the order, 20 cheesecakes, 20 upside down. I remember the numbers so well. You know, it was 20
You definitely
kg
good with the
each.
numbers. We know that.
20
The journey
kgs
cannot be
each.
so good.
So 20 kg each that she said.
Hmm.
And then, 300 tiramisu, 600 cream rolls. ऐसे करके she made a list out of it. And it was about 15 days that I had to plan, do everything. I started writing it, putting everything together कि कब क्या बनेगा, so that it should not spoil and I'll be able to manage it. I just had the house help, 2 house help, and nobody else. But
Super.
I had my 2 kids.
This is before COVID, right?
It is in 2014.
2014, yes, 100%.
So
100%.
I had 2 kids by then to help me out. So I asked them कि ये trays में आपको cups लगाने हैं.
2 kids to help you out.
Yeah.
Wow.
So they were 4 and 8, 4 and 6 then. So they helped me to put the cups in the trays and.
What a story, ma'am. I would say.
So it is very simple. It's like या तो आप crib कर लो और रो लो, या आप manage करके plan करके चीजों को कर लो. And kids can be a spoiler also, and they can be a resource also. So they've always been a resource to me.
I would say मैं आज की तारीख में इंडिया में 16-15 इयर्स के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स भी बट करते हुए देख रहा हूँ. तो मैम ये जो किड्स हैं, ये वही किड्स हैं
Definitely.
जो आने वाले टाइम में इंडिया बदलने वाले हैं और कुछ डिस्टिंग्विश मिलाने वाले हैं उसी कॉमन इंटरेस्ट में, and will be marking the difference.
So that's what the idea is. Ki the moment I got a opportunity to flourish with that order, wherein it was अभी आज की डेट में मैं सोचूं कि मुझे कोई अभी बोले कि 2500 डिजर्ट्स या 3000 डिजर्ट्स बनाने हैं, पोर्शंस बनाने हैं, तो मेरे को लगेगा यार it'll be such a tough. But that time it was an opportunity to knock my own self कि no, I've got an order, a bigger order than even I can dream of. मतलब वो एक सिंगल ऑर्डर मेरी पूरी महीने की बेकिंग जितना ऑर्डर था.
True.
What I was
initially
doing for,
it's a very big support.
Which I was doing it for Tapri for a month was a single big order. मतलब April was bigger than all other months, wherein Ankit had in short told me कि March, April में ना the kitchen stocks will be very little, so you don't be easy about it. He prepared me for that, but actually didn't went that way. It was a huge month for me.
Were you able to submit that order?
Of course.
Wow. Within time, with all good.
Within time is a kid here. So Rishabh Bhaiya and Purvai Bhabi, they've been very kind to me. The moment I used to get a little fumbly, a little late, and I was to be very scared inside कि क्या होएगा, Bhaiya will get angry. So they were used to give me that kind of a look where they would say कि better, next time should not happen. But this time you're late.
The same when we were starting this conversation was a similar vibe I felt from you as well.
Yeah.
So, nice.
But it's all about time. It's all about time.
True.
I understood with them that if I want to grow, if I want to be here and further ahead, that they.
Yes, that's true. Time is money today. And
not today. It's been always.
It has always been. Yes, true.
That respect time.
True.
Respect time.
Very well said, and a good point for many people. Time should be valued of the other person as well, and yours as well. So, ma'am, अभी भी मैं जानना चाहूँगा how sweet ये नाम कब आया, ज़बान पे कब आया?
ये नाम जब हम बात कर रहे थे तो हमने बोला नाम क्या होना चाहिए, तो
अंकित
बोरा ने मुझे बोला, I told you, father of the brand.
Father of the brand itself.
Ankit ने मुझे बोला कि it should be your personality. I said, what do you mean by my personality? Formally? But then no, you are very sweet. You're always, always very sweet to things that come to you. You are always up for things, and the way you do it is also what I can think about is it's like it should be how sweet. I said, Acha, how sweet? But it should be how sweet.
Bang on.
And I called my mom. I asked her, Mom, how do you like this name? How sweet? So she's like, बहुत अच्छा है. Keep it. There was no second thought. there was not a brainer because मेरा दिमाग कम लगाने का ही रहता है idea. I told you I'm lazy. So I said, okay, ठीक है, let it be house sweet then.
I think, is it a journey that became from that house sweet? That name, that day was the embarkment of the name and the brand and the journey officially? Was it the scene?
See,
Great, great, great. So, my another question to you would be, मैम हर किसी के ऐसा बोलते हैं, हर किसी की सक्सेस स्टोरी के पीछे या सक्सेसफुल होने के पीछे एक महिला या पुरुष का हाथ होता है, एक मेल के पीछे एक
मेरे तो
महिला का,
बहुत सारे हैं ना boss.
बहुत सारे हैं. Okay.
The world is full of people.
Oh, so would not be any specific. एक
I
स्मार्टर
can't.
एंटरप्रेन्योर की कहानी है ये.
No, but you know, there is like there are so many hands, but the people who are helping me work today, they are every day adding their time to my dream. So, you know, I can't be anything without so many people, so many hands, so many brains, so many vendors, so many so many people. So that's like eventual.
Thank you, thank you. एक अच्छा एंटरप्रेन्योर की पहचान है ये. दोस्तों,
Lazy
I would say
entrepreneur की.
be grounded, be humble, and thanks everyone. The journey is way bigger than today they are, and miles to go, I think. So एक magical question लेके आएंगे बड़ी जल्दी. People should wait for that magical question, I believe, where I know the story of Atika Agarwal and House Sweet. We'll be coming up with this. So, ma'am, पहला बेकर कॉन्सेप्ट में बेकरी हाउस और वुड से रेस्टोरेंट कम कैफे आपने कब ओपन किया, एंड वाज इट अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू फॉर यू ऑन दैट डे?
No, there's no dream of having anything like things that are happening, because you know when you dream, you probably dream of things like that. Like I told you, I'm a big dreamer. So dreamer means that I would love to do. I like to eat. So
nice.
So yeah. So that
My another
yeah,
सवाल is coming with
so
that
I
only.
really love to eat.
Okay.
So the point is, cafe में
Doesn't
सब
look like so, but it's okay. We will.
No, cafe में सब चीजें होनी चाहिए so that you know you can eat at any moment of time the best thing that you want to eat.
Nice.
You might not want to cook, but you want to eat.
Nice.
So
Nice.
वैसा था, but everything is eventually happening in a place to make that one dream which is there in my mind, of course, which I don't want to share. So that dream
Something you want to keep is still in the log.
So you know, they say that if you don't show that happen, so anything that you talk doesn't make sense.
Very well said, ma'am.
So something that is happening towards that one single dream that I upheld when probably I was a kid. I can sing a song for that.
Please go ahead. We'll
No,
love
I
to
was
hear.
sing, but you know, it's like that. You've heard that there's a movie called Yes Boss.
Yes.
Shahrukh
जो मैं
Khan.
चाहूँ.
Chand Tare To
Aha, I love that song.
So
I have
that
somewhere
is-
that in the back of my mind.
that is the song that has been humming in my mind since a kid. I heard
Beautiful.
that song for the first time.
That's called the kickstart and the inspiration.
So
Great.
that is the dream in my mind.
Can you sing it for us? A small one?
You can sing it with with AI. You can probably put it.
So amazing to know about this side of you today. Yeah, definitely this song has inspired lot many people, but how many people has took it further? कहते हैं manifest करने से यूनिवर्स आपके लिए काम करता है. तो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं मैम ने ये स्वीट वर्ल्ड मैनिफेस्ट किया, एंड टुडे वेयर वी आर सिटिंग इज द प्लेस कॉल्ड हाउस स्वीट. एंड इसके बाद जब लोग यहाँ आएंगे मैम, आई वुड से आफ्टर सीइंग द शो, I believe they will definitely find very much sweet moments and sweet products to have. I would say with this, जो आपने बोला था खाने के बहुत शौकीन हो आप, एक तड़केदार सवाल PCM मसाले के तड़के के साथ में, I would say बेकर भी हो, कैफे भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल बनाया है और चला रहे हैं आप. जयपुर इज लविंग इट, आई नो दैट. एक चाट जो इंडियन चाट, स्ट्रीट चाट, जो अतिका अग्रवाल को बहुत पसंद है, एंड शी टैम्प्स इट.
ये बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि मैंने जब जो खा रही होती है वो मेरा फेवरेट हो जाता है,
And-
एंड माय टीम वाउचेस फॉर इट.
समटाइम्स स्पेसिफिक शुड आल्सो गो ना, हमारे व्यूज भी जानना
No, but
चाहिए.
actually
डू यू लव पताशी, गोलगप्पास?
I love the things that I'm eating at that moment of time. And,
Okay.
you know, you can vouch for it. But
And-
I love dosa like crazy.
ऑन स्ट्रीट और रेस्टोरेंट में होना चाहिए.
See, restaurant और street का बात नहीं है.
हाँ.
Even if I'm eating at a shack, it
Mhm.
should be clean because
Cool, cool.
I believe मैं
Hygiene is important.
कुछ भी अपने सिस्टम में डाल रही हूँ. Even while I was a kid, I remember one day going with my mom and she's telling, you're hungry. I said, yes, I am.
Hmm.
She said, let's eat here. And I was like, putting my nose up. I said, I'm not going to eat here. So she told me, बहुत नकचड़ी है यार, क्या है? But you're such a kid and कुछ नहीं
Still,
होता
how
है.
sweet you relate with it.
So how sweet doesn't mean that, we are very niche or we are very premium. No, it is not like that.
Wow.
It is something very simple. That why should we put something in our system which is not meant for our system? आप लोगों को shelf life देते हो, आप लोगों को चीजें देते हो. Why? It's not meant for your system.
Very well.
Yeah.
Thoughtful thought, I believe.
Yeah.
Before starting with any food product, you're feeling that whatever it's going in their body, it should be healthy and somewhere absorbable for them, not a thing what's going on in the market right now, the adulteration and so much not hygiene. तो ऐसा एंटरप्रेन्योर जो हाइजीन को प्रेफरेंस देता है तो प्रोडक्ट तो डेफिनेटली क्वालिटी में आ ही रहा होगा. एंड डेफिनेटली आई हैव टेस्टेड अ लॉट. आई बिलीव इट्स अमेजिंग. सिंपल is the word what goes with high, how sweet. तो मैम ऐसा कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है जो हाउस स्वीट का आप बोलेंगे कि दिस इज अ गो टू प्रोडक्ट? आई एम नॉट सेइंग द हीरो प्रोडक्ट राइट नाउ, आई एम सेइंग पेस्ट्रीज में ऐसा कौन सा हीरो प्रोडक्ट है या गो टू प्रोडक्ट है जो आदमी को यहाँ पे आएगा या जो भी पर्सन आएगा दे शुड ऑप्ट फॉर एंड ट्राई फॉर, recommended by the founder of.
See, one thing is a thing
How
that
sweet, I would say.
everybody is not a taste of everything. So it's a difficult zone to recommend something. But yes, like chocolate cake from House Sweet is one thing which is absolutely divine. The only major reason is first, we do not use any premix into it. So the sponge that we are baking is a simple recipe, though very simple recipe, but it's a very different recipe. It's not made out of a lot of gels. It's not a very dense, fluffy, airy cake. It's a dense sponge. And the chocolate that we're using in it, it's a couverture, so it doesn't, and we do not use any non-dairy cream in it.
Okay.
So everything that goes in it is a very straight, simple घर जैसी चीजें हैं उसमें, and I love it. I really love it. So
Wow.
recommendation.
Oh, wonderful. The recommendation has come. Finally, we were looking for something specific.
But
आ
as
गया है.
somebody who doesn't eat a chocolate thing,
I love your cheesecake as well.
that's what I said. Ki
Okay.
recommendation is what is not fair.
Well said, well said. Okay, fair enough. We won't take our words back, but definitely specific चाहिए था. And we got that idea कि chocolate cake is a go-to product over here at House Sweet. We love to have a taste very soon, I would say. So another one, women is marking create in all spaces today.
झांसी की रानी से यही सब काम हो रहा था. It's long back story.
बहुत अच्छे इंस्पिरेशंस पे कर रखे हैं आपने. Whether you talk about our President of India, Draupadi Murmu, we talk about our Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister, Princess Diya Kumari ji. मैम, इन सब से सवाल ये है, I'm not making a difference in men or women. सवाल ये है,
There is
you
a
guys
difference.
are,
We should
no,
mark the
definitely,
difference.
I'm not making with this question. I'm saying you guys are the multitaskers. Being a
See,
mother, being an
You know,
entrepreneur.
women when she get married,
Hmm.
as soon as she get married,
Hmm.
she becomes multitasking. सबसे पहले families में balance करती
Okay,
हैं,
this way it
multitask
happens.
करती हैं.
Thanks to the gentleman then in that case.
See, we all are in that case where I respect my husband, I respect my father, my brother,
Wow.
my people, my chef, and I somehow have a lot of men around me.
Too many
So I
thanks.
respect-
How sweet.
So I
Once
respect
again.
all of them equally. मतलब, and I believe what they are doing in their
मैं एक सक्सेस
design.
की पूछ रहा हूँ. सक्सेस की वर्ड थोड़ा हैवी हो जाएगा. मैं बोल रहा हूँ हाउ यू बैलेंस इन द वर्क प्लेस एंड द हाउस.
There's no balance. There can't be any.
Okay. Some days you have to be over there. Some days.
Every single day, if you're doing something will be missed. It's
Okay.
not possible कि आप भी खुश होगी, ये भी खुश होगी, मैं भी खुश होंगी. Not possible. So,
Okay.
but you have to kind of mark things like where when you say balance, it is only that कि जब मैं आपके साथ हूँ तो मैं आपके साथ justice कर रही हूँ 100%. I'm not halfway there.
एक छोटा सा सवाल है,
बताओ.
but बहुत impactful सवाल है. I know your journey somewhere. I know your some insight as well. मैं वो emotional touch कर रहा हूँ शायद. If you allow, give me the answer. If you don't allow, don't give me the answer. मैम, I remember जब सवाल भी अभी चल रहे थे, जवाब भी आपके आ रहे थे. I was feeling that you are very much connected to your mother.
So definitely we are born there. We've lived there without anybody for 9 months, and they are your heir for the longest possible time, and they're beautiful. All mothers are.
Respect to all the mothers. Thank you for being there around us. and making us so much impactful. Without you guys, I think we can't, any man or a kid or a girl cannot roar outside and make the difference in the society.
Yeah.
So I think relating to this, I remember you had a curation of your renovation of your place, and you was about to show this to your mama, and something unexpected happened. She insisted you a day before of the launch.
So,
What happened exactly, please, ma'am?
no, but that's okay. She passed away on a moment where obviously it was unexpected. But I think that is how parents kind of living that journey to you teach in their own way that no matter what, you got to show up, you got to be there, you got to stand for yourself, for your kids, for everybody around. You
So
can't
there,
be
there I
no
relate with
show.
your brand, ma'am. How sweet. So Ankit Bora was not saying anything wrong about you. You are way sweeter and caring about your people. Therefore, the world you was creating, you was curious to showcase as a kid to your mama. And I feel she's around us today
Yeah, of
and
course.
always with you to give you this spark what today it is. So thank you for answering this question. I was feeling like कि ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा सेंसिटिव है.
No, because I love to speak my mom and she always is in me. So nothing wrong in
Lovely.
it.
I am happy to hear this. And even many people are getting inspired today with this conversation. Mothers are important.
Yeah.
सेंसिटिव सवाल के बाद में एक मार्केट बेस्ड सेंसिटिव सवाल, बड़ा ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है सार्डो. मम्मी सार्डो
Saro
है
is
क्या?
not trending one
मेरे को
thing.
किसी ब्रांड
नहीं,
ब्रांड
नहीं,
ओनर ने
नहीं,
बोला
नहीं.
इट्स अ फैशन एंड इट विल गो.
No, it's not a fashion one. Sardo is the oldest technique of the bread. Happened because of Sardo.
ओके.
So there was a person who forgot to put the dough back in the cool area or who left the dough like that.
ओके.
And वो dough ferment हो गया. जब वो उसने देखा फूला हुआ डो तो उसने उसको अवन में डाला. एंड जब उससे जो ब्रेड निकल कर आई तो वो ब्रेड बहुत ही यम थी, बहुत टेस्टी थी.
ओके.
एंड उसने ये भी रियलाइज किया उस ब्रेड को खा के, जब उसने खाया तो उसकी स्टमक के लिए बहुत लाइट थी, बिकॉज मैदा जो होता है वो इटसेल्फ उसमें कोई फाइबर नहीं होता, डाइजेस्टिव शक्ति नहीं होती.
ठीक है.
और जब वो फर्मेंट होता है नेचुरली तो उसका जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होता है वो ब्रेक हो जाता है. उसकी वजह से वो हमारे गट के लिए बहुत फ्रेंडली हो जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई दे से गट फ्रेंडली ब्रेड.
Oh,
That's how it is.
so it is not a myth. It's a good.
It is indeed, and
Product.
it's not a fashion at all. People, it's like, when you so-called marketing trend, I do not believe in marketing. I'm not a marketing person at all. For me, marketing is all about awareness creation, which is very important. That is why it was born. Today, we are putting it into offers, when we are putting it into trends, gimmick, follows. That's a stupid thing to do.
एक एवरेज प्राइस ऑफ ब्रेड जो मार्केट में मिलता है, जो बेसिकली किसी भी रिटेल ग्राउंड पर मिल जाएगा, टुडे इज लाइक 50-60 रुपीज. सार्डो इज नॉट पॉकेट फ्रेंडली फॉर द कॉमन मैन. स्टिल हेल्दी.
Still, it's not about healthy or not. The idea is कि उसका जो प्रोसेस टाइमिंग है, जो उसको रखने की कंडीशंस है, और फिर जो उससे स्पॉइलेजेस होती है. मतलब मैंने आज एक बैच बनाने की कोशिश की, बट जरूरी नहीं है वो बैच बनेगा, और जो बैच नहीं बना वो वेस्ट डस्टबिन में जाएगा. और
so there is a cost.
There is a cost to it. उसको हम जब उसका डो बनाते हैं और उसको फर्मेंट करने के लिए रखते हैं, वो 48 आवर्स तक रुकता है. वो 48 आवर्स की स्पेस लेता है, इक्विपमेंट लेता है. और देन उसके अलावा ये होता है कि अगर वो बैच, जैसे मैंने बोला, बेकिंग के टाइम खराब हो गया, कि वो फर्मेंट, क्योंकि इट इज गेटिंग फर्मेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ नेचुरल बैक्टीरिया, नेचुरल
एनवायरनमेंट एंड द बैक्टीरिया अवेलेबल इन द
नेचुरली एनवायरमेंटल ईस्ट. तो वो नेचुरल एनवायरमेंटल ईस्ट से अगर वो नहीं वो हुआ, क्योंकि इससे एक सर्टेन टेम्परेचर होता है, सब चीजें होती है.
कर्ड प्रोसेस काइंड ऑफ
मोर ऑफ अ डोसा फर्मेंटिंग प्रोसेस, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड, कि अगर बैटर में खमीर नहीं आया तो वो बैटर खराब हो गया. वो जब खराब हुआ तो उसकी कॉस्ट तो एक्चुअली उसी में से निकलेगी जो बिक रहा है.
So you mean to say Sardo will go for law, or it will turn a habit?
It will remain always. It
will
was
remain.
always there. It will remain always.
It has turned in trend in restaurants and cafes in Jaipur. It is seen
It will
now.
always remain.
It will always remain. Lovely. Sardo is a good option as a health. We should opt it. It's good for your tummy.
It is.
Lighter and easier. For your breakfast, I would say.
Anything.
Okay. So, ma'am.
मतलब अगर आप रात का रखा हुआ परांठा खाते हो सुबह, तो उसमें वही चीजें होती है जो एक साड़ो में होती है, प्रोबायोटिक्स.
तो रात का रखा पराठा is
is
healthy.
very healthy. कल का बना हुआ चावल is very healthy because उसका starch break down हो जाता है.
बहुत अच्छी नॉलेज मिली आज हमारे को. इसको स्टेल फूड नहीं बोलेंगे.
No.
प्लीज पुट इट इन द
Stale
राइट
food-
वे.
stale food वो होता है जब आपने सब्जी काट के रखी
हाँ.
और उसको आपने या तो कुक किया या अनकुक किया और वो आपने अगले दिन यूज किया तो वो स्टेल हो जाता है, रॉट हो जाता है.
Okay.
यहाँ ये ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है, डिफरेंस.
Okay. Among the bunch of so many bakers, how you make sure you're ensured yourself?
I've been focusing on myself. Self-centered women.
That's something remarkable. Nothing
Don't
to
know.
you are what you mean to say over here is what I feel with this statement of yours is you were not getting into the jumble that what other is doing.
You can't when you're so much concentrating on your own self because हम हर दिन हाथ से हर चीज बनाते हैं. जब बनाते हैं तो बहुत सारी चीजें बिगड़ती है because obviously
It's kind of a chemistry lab I relate with. It's a good scientist way. You try to curate, make a good compound, and then taste it and make it.
make it. और जो चीजें हम घर में बनाते हैं छोटी क्वांटिटी में बनाते हैं जब हम उसको कमर्शियल लेवल पे लेके जाते हैं तो वो एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है और उस चैलेंज के साथ हम उस जगलिंग में रहते हैं तो उसमें से समय निकालना पॉसिबल ही नहीं होता. You're tired by the end of the day. And
True,
I told
true,
you, I
true.
have lovely children. So once I'm done with this, I'd rush to
The
them.
mini bakers behind.
Oh, they're not mini. Don't underestimate.
Oh.
They're the chefs.
Okay. So इसके साथ जानना चाहूंगा. I would say एक पॉइंट और भी था इसमें. हिडन पॉइंट बोलूंगा. What is your USP? What is your hero product? Which
The USP is that we do what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to make good food. We are making good food.
ऐसा तो नहीं है टाइम के बाद you will be changing with the quality and
Why?
commercial होने के लिए लोग कर लेते हैं. Once they make a brand, they change it.
कमर्शियल होने का मतलब हमेशा
30% space I'm talking about. I'm not talking about all the brands.
नो बट
but
कमर्शियल
people-
होने का मतलब ये होता है कि हम अपने काम को अपनी एक्सरसाइजिंग को बढ़ा ले.
Hmm.
नॉट दैट कि हम अपनी क्योंकि जब काम बढ़ेगा तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको ज्यादा अर्निंग करके देगा. कमर्शियल होने का मतलब कभी भी ये नहीं होता था पहले भी कि मैंने आपको क्या बोला घर में जो चीज हम बना रहे हैं और जब हम कमर्शियल स्पेस में बनाते हैं
Hmm.
तो चैलेंजिंग है बिकॉज उतना सारा उस वेरिएशन में उसको
True.
उस,
एक पाव भर बनाओ, एक 25 किलो या 200 किलो
So
बनाओ.
that's always
Right, true.
that's always a challenge. But that is what a challenge of being commercial is.
True, true,
Yeah,
true.
and for which we are lucky that we were able to get very good equipments. Like we have the bestest of the ovens and the facilities full of resources.
So your factory is located at
It's at Malvinagar Industrial Area. So
And-
we have a 8,000 square feet big kitchen.
very big infrastructure,
Yeah,
I would say.
yeah,
I
yeah.
think one of the decent ones, I would say.
Very good one.
Great, great, great. So hygiene is there. You are definitely. If you're talking about that, hygiene must be there. 8,000 space is a very beautiful curation, I would say. We would.
It's a better Ziploc because that's what I believe in.
Super. Thumbs up. I would say, मैम एक कल्चर चल रहा है स्कूल्स के बच्चों को फैक्ट्री विजिट कराना, उनको एक इंडस्ट्री सेटअप दिखाना, क्यूरेशन वर्ल्ड दिखाना. Kids relate with a bakery. Kids relate from every, I think, boy or a girl starts with something sweet when they become conscious about selecting the things. Majorly, I would say. So bakery always has been the part of the journey. So have you ever opted for inviting the school kids to have a view of a
Not
journey?
really inviting, but yeah, there are times for some friends that we have done this exercise.
Hmm.
It's a task some because kids are kids. We love kids, but
So
handling
much
kids,
chaos, so much
it's not
chaos.
chaos, when the kids are coming, their little eyes twinkling with so much shine,
Yes.
and we would love them to have it, but eventually we know that it's certain quantities okay for them,
Hmm.
but they're
Oh.
full of so many things, and stopping them to not eat not because we can't get into that.
Hmm.
We would not want, like, it's the kids are kids, they're my kids,
True.
I would not allow my
Understood
kids
your point.
to go on
You're more concerned about their
Yeah, that's the
quantity
only
of
point.
consumption.
Yeah, because they're so happy, so elated, even we are so happy, so elated.
आजकल की mama is concerned about the sugar of the kid. I would say post 9 o'clock,
See,
no sugar as
it's not about
the
that,
kid
but-
doesn't sleep.
But the idea is ki a certain quantity is okay, but beyond that it's not okay.
True, very true. I think no business can run without a good business leader. I would say how you carry your team along with you. What exactly the
See,
idea? I'm just talking about this
uh,
because of the viewers who might be there with the aspirant bakers or who might be curating something the similar the way you were.
see, it's
You
a very
are.
simple science that the way you kind of nourish your children, the way you nourish your home, it's the same. It's just the same. You need to take care of their health, you need to take care of their mind spaces, you need to assist them on every single step. If you want them to learn something new, you need to assist them. You can't expect wonders to happen in a day's time, or even like there are months, there are times and they're difficult. You need to understand. If there are times that things are not going right, you don't need to scold them. You need to understand that things are not going right. Let me stand here. The things are not going right. Let me understand. Because हम जितनी घंटे जगते हैं उसका एक मेजर चंक हम एक साथ निकालते हैं. The team
True,
and
They're
you.
the part of the family.
Yeah. So the moment you are not conscious about spending that time happily, आप क्यों काम कर रहे हो?
I think well said, but this industry also has a huge labor turnover.
Which is okay, people have different perceptions and आज ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप और मैं एक ही टेंट पे सोच रहे हैं, एक ही लाइन पे सोच रहे हैं. मतलब for me growth is growth of your mind, your lifestyle, your happiness. अगर किसी का alignment मेरे thoughts के साथ नहीं हो रहा है और उसको कुछ और समझ में आ रहा है तो I respect.
True. Very, very true. It's not everybody can park themselves with
Perfect.
your vision, but those who they continue to and make it the largest
Absolutely.
on all the spaces. I would say whether for
But
themselves.
I am grateful to people who are working with me, and I'm also grateful to the people who left because it was not happening. It's okay.
True. I think today with Atika Agrawal's conversation, I would say entrepreneur का ही growth नहीं होता, individual का भी growth होता है. Was the part of that
very
cell.
important.
Yes, आप ग्रो करते हो एज अ इंडिविजुअल, आप भी कस्टमर से मिलते हो, आप भी ग्रूम होते हो आफ्टर गेटिंग इनटू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि मैन्युफैक्चरर अकेला कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मैन्युफैक्चरर वांट्स द गुड रिसोर्सेज टू ग्रो. देयर इज अ स्पेस ऑफ मार्केटिंग, देयर इज अ स्पेस ऑफ फाइनेंस, देयर इज अ स्पेस ऑफ क्यूरेशन. You come from the world of creativity, I would say.
Yeah.
True. Creating a bakery products in wide range. I would say, ma'am, क्या expansion plan है branches को लेके, हाउस स्वीट की प्रोडक्ट को लेके?
Actions will speak better than my words, so please wait.
Okay. Again, you have to visit the store and stay connected with House Sweet Insta page and other media pages to know what's coming up. एक बहुत बढ़िया बात है, लगता है आप अपने कस्टमर को बखूबी समझ चुके हो. कस्टमर का टेस्ट.
नहीं, आप गलत बोल रहे हो. मैं हर दिन खुद को बेहतर समझने की कोशिश करती हूँ. मैं खुद से ये समझने की कोशिश करती हूँ. मैंने अगर कल कुछ भी किया जिससे मुझे एक नेगेटिव फीडबैक आया या किसी को बुरा लगा मेरी वजह से, तो मैं आज कम से कम वो नहीं करूंगी. तो एवरी डे आई लीव वन बैड थिंग एंड आई ट्राई टू डू वन गुड थिंग. सो उससे ज्यादा व्यवहार भी नहीं है, समझ भी नहीं है और कोशिश भी नहीं है.
That comes from the creative person only. This kind of space comes from a creative person only, and it could have been another guy who is a salesperson. He could have said differently. Yes, I understand everything. We keep intact with the customers and everything. But yes, definitely, somewhere you have won the hearts of Jaipur and many different places in India where people are opting and calling and making an order. I know. I've heard a lot about the place. आपने कस्टमर की टेस्ट को समझ लिया है. Every day is a drive. I know it's every day, every season is a change. But yes, somewhere we are seeing that people are parking themselves, having a comfort at your place, enjoying your meal. There are regular bridge buyers.
Everybody for the same.
That I wanted to hear out from you. Thank you. इस स्टार्टअप की दौड़ में आप भी कभी सोच रहे हो कि मैं भी कोई ऐसे पोडियम पे जाके अपने ब्रांड को पुट करूं, इन्वेस्टर्स को पार्क कराऊं, ऐसा कुछ उन लोगों के लिए जो इन्वेस्टर्स की तरह सोच रहे हो आपके साथ में? No, not ready right now, or not interested only? Or let the fortune to say again.
No words right now.
Another question जो पहले भी मैंने आपसे पूछा था, you are doing with the catering as well.
We are doing.
And how long it's been?
I started my world with catering. I told you, with Sweet Caterers, we started as catering.
Okay.
So my first module of work was B2B. It was never B2C. I was working for Tapli the Tea House, and I was working for Sweet Caterers as their dessert caterer.
Nice, since basically.
Yeah, since, yeah.
Lovely. Then though it would be before 2014?
2014 was my first catering. 2013 we started.
Okay.
And since 2014 till 17 we were just doing B2B. लोग
Oh.
आते थे किसी के उससे सुन के and टपली से पूछ के कि you know who's doing this and they wanted to buy from us. That was very small chapter of ours.
हर बड़े ब्रांड की या बडिंग ब्रांड की स्टोरी यही है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच, मेकिंग अ डिसेंट start rather than coming up with a big show and then going back home. That's a takeaway for those people who want to curate and make a better vision in the coming days. So, ma'am, इस केटरिंग की जर्नी में I got a information or would say the different creatives were being placed. जयपुर को पता लगा, राजस्थान को पता लगा, कुछ स्पेसेस ऑफ इंडिया को भी पता लगा. हाउस स्वीट ने अंबानीज वेडिंग में, रीसेंट अंबानीज वेडिंग में सर्व किया है. प्लीज हैव अ लाइट ऑन दिस. मैम, वी वुड लव टू नो दिस बिकॉज बीइंग अ जयपुराइट, it is glad to hear this. Being a business, symbolic business tycoon, Mr. मुकेश अंबानी जी, उनके यहाँ पे कोई जयपुर का ब्रांड अपने आप को सर्व करके आया. It's a bigger story, I would say.
Thank you so much. So, we've been serving the family at times due to the people that we work with, and it was their call for the Jamnagar pre-wedding affair that we did their hampers for their car travels, and then I think due to those brief meetings we had we told them that we love to have our teas and coffees and our happy toast at their any of their wed functions, and we were good enough to be heard well, and since we were invited to do so, we did that.
Were you very welcoming when it came for the first time a conversation? Is it a surprise for you, or are you feeling like
I told you that I'm lucky enough to think and have it happen. So
wow. Just a glimpse or a moment what you want to share with people who are seeing today us. How was your experience being there? I think बहुत सारे celebrities होंगे मैम वहाँ पे.
it was a larger than life picture, and the best part is that probably if there were 2,500 guests,
Okay.
each face was a value, and among those people the best thing that I felt was that probably they all earned something to be there, and so did I. Everybody from Ritu Dalmia to Chef Sedu, whoever were there, were just because of the value that they have earned because of their work. And being on the similar podium was a satisfaction, was beautiful, was very nice. That's it.
It was another growing step towards the catering journey.
Indeed, it was.
Super. जब ये wedding हो रहा था मैम, I think I heard about it. Many of the cricketers were there on your place who looked forward to a product and they enjoyed it like anything.
Yeah,
And you were there at the time? You were attending at the time?
of course.
Wonderful.
Couldn't have missed the moment.
So, how sportingly you take your customers' feedbacks?
110%.
Any example?
See, idea is whatever happens sour, and we're house sweet. So turning every sour into sweet is the job. I
Very
have.
well said. Very well said. I would say यही solution है to the people who come up, because I think they are really being the part of your brand. Somewhere they want the solution, and being the owner, I would say.
But a small thing to all the people who are there, that every time it is not a intentional, thoughtful error that happens, and sometimes we as the bearers also kind of not really expect, but at least want or request some understanding that it's all human, it's all interferences with the human, it's not just a command that is given to a robot and it's coming out. So somewhere down the lane, we are here we are here for you, we are here 110% for you, for everything. But taking it easy is also requested from everybody. But it's not like that I want to escape from myself, but it's a team, a band of humans.
True, very, very true.
So we need to respect the humans
I
in a
think
human way.
I think curation of a food can vary because
does.
somewhere there is an indulgence in the human hands, and
No,
nobody.
even the crops changes. Like long back, we realized that when the crop changes of the wheat, the cream rolls don't get made. There is
Oh.
100% breakage. Like if we'll make 5 cream rolls, there were 3 cream rolls will break.
Oh,
So people are like, why it's so expensive? Because you don't know what's happening, and it doesn't come to you because we don't want to tell that because that's none of your business. But understand that even if it is not your business, it's happening.
somewhere बातों बातों में आपने वो अपने हीरो प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बता दिया. The cigarette size, I would say.
It's not cigarette size. Come on. It's a finger size.
Finger size. Okay, I should take my word back. The finger size cream rolls are the hot product. I know it, and people are loving it. So super curation. Many more such products should come in the near future. Newer knock कर रहा है. It's just on the door. 2026. क्या प्लान है? ये तो बताना
चांद
पड़ेगा.
तारे.
ये तो बताना पड़ेगा.
चांद तारे.
ये तो बताना पड़ेगा. What a new product
अरे
is
चांद
coming
तारे.
up. चांद तारे. चलो चांद तारों से ही सितारों से ही हम इस न्यू ईयर की शुरुआत करेंगे. एक टेक्निकल सवाल बेस्ड ऑन IT. Today's IT world is somewhere impacting all businesses, plus digital market, social media, and all. How you see all these things? It is a part of the journey now.
So part of the journey in a way, it's a lot helpful in terms of when you're using AI for drafting our work. It makes it more easy. Social media, you get to reach so many people which you otherwise wouldn't have known. So that's like a tool for us, and that's it.
You are there on social media,
They all are. Indeed.
and the page name is
How sweet
How Sweet.
an artisan bakery.
Okay, so before we wind up this session, we would love to hear one message from you for the viewers and your dear customers who have been so much intact with you and with your journey. Over to you, ma'am.
Starts from my dadu, who used to narrate amazing stories to me, which made my world to be a dream world. Otherwise, शायद मेरे में इतने सपने ही नहीं होते. And my dad who've been barring those dreams. Otherwise, मुझे रुकना नहीं आता. My mom who's been teaching me कि magic can happen anytime. We can do the best of what we have. शायद मैं इतनी regressively चीजें नहीं कर पाती. Otherwise, how you are. My brother and my siblings who keeping me grounded. कि तू कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं हो कर सकती है. So they're keeping me grounded always. My dear friends who are telling me कि it's okay, you are okay, they're not judging me, so they are telling me that सब कोई सब कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, which is okay, which is fine. So that pause in me, and I love people around me, and my kids, my chef, my entire team that makes me what I am. And you, Mr. Shubham Jain, who tries to pull me down बिना बात के.
OMG, I'm also the critical one, and I always show the real side. So
So you mean to say this is not my reverse side?
this is the real side. Today we are actually happy to hear from the
But I gave you a show without break.
same I did, yeah. Come on. This is the person who has been so graceful, and we are very glad and thankful to her for giving your special time to us and giving the insight of your journey. This was beautiful, and the sweetness begins more and more this onwards. We would like to thank our sponsors. The main sponsor, the Ultra Solar, are powered by sponsor PCM Masale, our venue partner and the hospitality partner How Sweet, and the glamour partner Shades. Signing off. See you all in the next episode. एक उभरते सितारे के साथ एक बार फिर हम मिलेंगे एक दूसरे शाइनिंग स्टार्स के साथ में. So thank you, and it was a pleasure having you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.